Hello everybody, welcome to the sixth video in the lecture series of supply chain management, components of supply chain management. In this particular video, we will discuss about what are the different elements or what are the different processes that are involved in the collective of supply chain management. So the components of supply chain management can be put into seven broad categories. First is demand management. Second is supplier qualification management. The third is supplier negotiation. Fourth is sourcing, procurement, and contract management. Fifth is logistics. Sixth is invoice and payment management. Seventh is supplier performance management. So let us discuss one after the other. The first process, demand management, or the first component, demand management, includes planning, prioritizing, communicating, and influencing. So in this process, we will have to forecast the demand. We'll have to do a proper research to understand what the real-time demand in the market is. Based on that, all other processes will be planned. We will prioritize the processes based on their importance. We will communicate the same and we will influence the customers to come to us so that their demands get met. Once this is done, once you plan your demand and make your brand aware, when you start making people aware that you're going to do something, we'll go on to the next phase, which is supplier qualification management. Here, we will discuss who our supplier is going to be. We will decide who is going to supply to us. We will do a quality planning, visual integration, and quality control. So, we'll review multiple suppliers to know who is meeting our exact requirements, who is giving the product to the best quality, who is ready to work integrated with us, thereby identifying a supplier who tops quality and cost efficiency. Once a supplier is identified after proper supplier qualification management, we will start negotiating with the supplier, which is the third component of supply chain management. In negotiation, we will discuss about cost of the item, arrival of the item, and quality standards. So we will negotiate or we'll talk with the supplier about what is the cost at which they're going to give us the product. We will ensure that we are getting it at a profitable cost. We'll also ensure that the product will definitely, the raw material will definitely reach us to us on time, if not late. We will also ensure that the supplier gives us only those materials that are meeting the quality standards so that that will not largely affect the quality of the product that we are going to manufacture. After supplier negotiation is done and after the process is fixed and finalized, we will go on to sourcing, procurement, and contract management. So we'll identify sources from where we'll have to procure. We'll establish a contract with a supplier as to for which period of time we'll be trading with them. We'll have a purchase and track order maintained. Here, invoicing is involved. We'll have proper invoices maintained between us and the supplier. We will definitely give feedback to the supplier in case there is any glitch involved in the process or in case there's any scope for improvement. So this is about sourcing, procurement, and contract management. Once all this is designed, there comes the fifth most important component of supply chain management, which is logistics. Logistics is nothing but a conglomerate of the different players that are involved in the process, like component supplier, product manufacturer, distributor, retailer, consumer, etc. Anybody and everybody involved in the supply chain management process would be encompassed in the broader term of logistics. So the logistics component will be an elaboration of who are our suppliers, who are the manufacturers, who are the distributors, who are the retailers, who are the consumers that we're going to trade with. The sixth important component of supply chain management is invoice and payment management. Like here we've decided who the supplier is, who the customer is, who are the logistics players, and after all this, there's a lot of money going to be involved. So there's a lot of trade going to be done. There's a lot of exchange of money and goods getting involved. So it's very important that both invoice and payment are managed properly. Only when there's a proper management of payment and invoice, we'll be able to work without any hindrance. The relationship between all the different players in the supply chain management would not be disrupted if and only if there's proper invoice and payment management. The process will have to be proper and transparent at all phases. The next most important component of supply chain management is supplier performance management. We have to ensure that the supplier performance is at optimal level at all phases. Suppose we find that the supplier is underperforming in some place, the quality of the material is reducing, or the time at which the material is supplied is, getting longer, or the supplier is increasing the cost without our notice. Then it's very important that we jump in to ensure that the supplier is performing at the optimum level. So these are the breakdown of the different components of supply chain management. If all these components are working together in integrity, working together harmoniously, supply chain management will definitely be able to accomplish all its objectives and functions that were discussed in the previous videos. Thanks for paying attention to the video. Looking forward to having more fruitful interactions and discussion. Thank you.